Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your Shopify store. First, you'll want to sign up for a free trial, which typically lasts for 3 days, giving you ample time to explore the platform. Next, choose a unique and memorable name for your store that truly reflects your brand. Finally, select a Shopify plan that best fits your business needs and budget, with options starting around $29 per month for basic features. Once you have your account, it's time to design your store. Head over to the Shopify theme store and pick a professional theme that resonates with your brand. There are over 100 free and paid themes available. Then, personalize it with your unique brand colors, fonts, and logo to make it truly yours. Don't forget to organize your products into clear, intuitive collections, making it simple for customers to find exactly what they're looking for. Now, let's add your products and set up payments. Upload high-quality images and craft compelling descriptions for each item, highlighting their unique benefits. Next, configure your payment gateways. Shopify supports over 100 different options, including major credit cards and popular digital wallets, ensuring a smooth checkout experience. Finally, set up your shipping rates and delivery zones to accurately reflect your operational capabilities and reach your customers efficiently. You're almost ready to launch. Before going live, take a moment to thoroughly review all your store settings, products, and pages to ensure everything is perfect. Then, connect your custom domain name to give your shop a professional and trustworthy online presence. Finally, spread the word. Promote your exciting new store across social media platforms and other marketing channels to attract your first customers and start making sales.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.